Good morning. Yeah, I wasn't really planning to do a vlog today, but I've got a lot of things to do to get done today, and I thought, why not? Hoping to make sure I do some painting today. That is my goal. Sit and paint. I was gonna go shopping, but I hate them all, so I'm not gonna do that. But I'm gonna go run lots of errands. I have to go return keys and go buy some food because I have this recipe in my head that I want to try. It just sounds delicious and it's really nothing complicated, but I'll show you in a little bit. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go vote. Hi Zoe. What you doing? Did you guard the house while I was gone? Did you guard the house? You did so good. Did you guard the house? Yeah. Yes you did. Yes you did. Yes you did. You're ready for playtime, aren't you? I know. Anyway, so grocery shopping, I went and picked up some grape tomatoes and cucumber and mozzarella because I had some mozzarella with balsamic vinegar at our friend's house and I'm totally hooked now. And it felt like a really delicious salad to have a caprese salad today. So that's what I'm gonna work on, and then, I don't know, maybe go to the river. We'll see. You wanna go to the river, Zoe? You go to the river? Yeah? You gonna catch those flies? Go get them. Go get the flies. Go get them. Go get them. Oh my god, that scared me. My bad. Gracious, darling. So ferocious. There's nothing even there. There's nothing even there. What are you barking at? What? I don't know, something's got her upset. She'll figure it out eventually. Yes!
Around 11.
So are you ready? Ready? Ready?
We left and we're on bike. Oh, I found where all, you know those whitebirds?
Zoe figured it out. She's such a dork. Zoe. Okay, we just got back a little while ago from the river, and look at this girl. Who's the sleepiest? She got a bath and some extra food. She got an extra meal today, this girl. I hope you're happy, and I hope you sleep and let me work. Then we do some video editing and do some painting. Yeah, until Papa comes home. It's gonna be a lot sooner than I was expecting. Also, so we were at the river maybe an hour. I already had kind of distinct lines, but do you see this? Holy crap. Texas. You're gonna make me really dark really fast. And I don't want it. I mean, I want to be a little bit tan, let's be honest, but not too tan. Because yeah, it's not good for my skin. But apparently I need to start putting sunscreen on. Which, side note, have you guys heard whether or not to put sunscreen on dogs? Because I want to say that I read that if you use like a spray sunscreen, that works fine to just kind of spray it over their fur. And it kind of protects them a little bit. Because Zoe, this girl, is just out in the sun, running around in the water. I know that's when I get really sunburned, is being in the water, and I don't want her getting sunburned. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Cutest. Just make everyone so jealous. Mama's favorite. Mama's favorite. Sushi for dinner.
You know what I mean? That's
Homemade.
Actually, the mascarpone is great.
You ready? You
I'm
excited?
ready.
So are you gonna eat some sushi? Probably not. You're not supposed to.
So hungry.
Real quick, pausing on painting because I'm having trouble with it a little bit. I'm not loving it, but I just need to show you how risky it is sometimes to be in this situation. I have my painting rinse water here in a mason jar, right? I'm also drinking wine over here in the exact same mason jar. So you can just imagine exactly how close I've come to either dipping the brush in the wrong one or drinking the wrong one. So fun times for that. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you the finished pieces. I ended up cutting them out of the solid piece that they were in. So this is a printed copy of the original that I painted for my sister and her now husband. It was like a 11 by 14 painting. Obviously that's not going to fit into my notebook, so I did a printed copy just so I have kind of a cohesive record of this year of what I've kind of created. So then here's the other April favorites. Wine glass, because I've been enjoying wine nights with some of our friends after work. And my Lip Sense Senegence lipstick is my new best friend. I love it. If you don't know what that is, let me know. And I think that's gonna be it for today. So I will see you in the next video. Do you see this? Do you see how this color has changed? So, water glass,
Glass?
wine glass. Dangerous, dangerous.